Things have recovered pretty good today, so let's take a look at Tesla, the gold, silver, Bitcoin, Ethereum. Let's start with Tesla. Tesla closed at 462.07, up $17.81. That's 4.01% higher. So let's do our recap. Big bullish channel, check. Smaller bullish channel, not checked at all. We are still outside. We touched it perfectly during the day and came back down. Recent support is still in play, and this is an important support. As I mentioned yesterday, we have been touching it a long time. So, effectively, this is another bullish channel. So we are no longer in the smaller, steeper one, but we are into this one. So you know what? I should do exactly this. This is where we are. Nice rebound, also rebounded on 440.13. That number is really important. It helped us last Thursday and it helped us a little bit today not to go lower. So 440.13 is starting to become a more important support. In terms of the upper part of the support, we are still waiting for a break above 467, which we had 2 days ago, but it came back down. So 467.13 is still the resistance that we need to beat. But overall, Tesla is making higher lows. The highs are sometimes zigzaggy. So Tesla is not really launching after breaking 467 2 days ago. We knew a little bit, we had an inkling. It is surprising in the sense, but in another sense, we have November 16th. So tomorrow, we have Tesla's shareholders meeting tomorrow, which will be a very important event. So if you have Tesla stock, you can buy a few puts just to cover yourself in case something dramatic happens. This is a nice insurance against a possible drop down. But if Tesla approve Elon's new pay package, we could be having a break at above 467 the next day, and then things could be moving quite faster. A good thing today, the VIX is down 0.99. We are at 18. So yes, I was concerned that we were going higher and higher. We are still above 1739, but at least we touched it today, and at least we are down significantly today. So let's see how it has affected the stock indices, gold, silver, and the cryptos. So Dow Jones, look at this beauty right here, bouncing perfectly on 47,039. We had the break not too long ago. We had the move up. Now it's retesting. So this is the official channel that we are in. We are in this channel. We want this to continue. SPX still sideways, still above support. All of the indicators are still good. So I like to see a green candle finally after 6 red candles. QQQ, the same thing, and I would not call that a rebound yet because it has not touched support. It has not made a low as Dow Jones has done, with a low with today's candle higher than the low of yesterday. This is not what we have in QQQ. We are making a lower low today than yesterday. This is not a bounce. And on the flip side, we are not right at support at 613.27, but all of our indicators are still good for QQQ. Nasdaq, pretty much the same thing as QQQ. We are not at support yet. We don't need to go at support all the time. Maybe we are going to bounce on the 21-day moving average that we have right here. In terms of indicators, everything is good. Small caps, nice day today. Today, just a little bit of a pullback, but the small caps, we have no bullish technical indicators. The trend is not bullish yet. Bonds had been going a little bit higher recently, so this has not helped at all. The 20-year bonds and the 10-year bonds have been moving a little bit higher recently. So this is not helping the stock market. Physical gold and silver. So in terms of indicators, we have no bullishness. There's no bullish momentum yet after the move down that we had recently. We are hovering on support. Yeah, I would advise to wait and see what is going to happen with those two. Silver, the same thing. Bitcoin, okay, yeah. Yesterday's candle was nice. We can say it was bouncing on 98,000, but today we are still moving a little bit down. We are at 103,000 right now. Ethereum, the same pattern. We have broken 33.53. Now we are going a little bit higher, but we have no bullish momentum as expressed by our technical indicators. So any move up that we see is not to be believed yet. So I would wait to see a close above 36.55 in order to consider maybe a move back up to a previous congestion zone right here that we had. Minus that, absent of that, there is nothing to do right here with Ethereum unless you really want to buy on support. BMNR is quite resilient. Ethereum is down and BMNR is up almost 5% today. But pattern-wise, we are still holding 39.58 after having almost broken it last time. So if you want to buy on support, we are on support and we seem to be bouncing from yesterday. If you are a support buyer, then maybe it's time. Support buying is a little bit more risky without seeing a definite bounce. But if it is what you want to do, this is fine. Let's take a look at some Tesla news that are getting piped into our Discord server. We have protesters that rally against proposed 1 trillion pay plan for Elon Musk. I'm sure these people think that he will receive a $1 trillion check the first day. They don't understand the trenches and everything. They are just acting on headlines. Also, bad news here. Tesla sales in Germany have cratered from last year, data shows. Tesla EV sales in Germany cratered by more than half in October and are down 50% year to date. Elon Musk's automaker began selling a more affordable version of Model Y in Germany last month. And overall battery electric vehicle sales in Germany were up to 52,000 in October, representing 21% of new car sales. So Tesla sold just 750 EVs in Germany for October 2025, less than half of what it sold a year ago. So a year ago, it sold 1,600, so that's not a lot. It's a high percentage, but even at 1,600 EVs, that's not a lot. And lots of discussion about the pay package. Look at this, the pay package. Really important day tomorrow. And tomorrow's shareholder meeting is going to take place at 4 p.m. Eastern Time. So I will be producing a video after that to make sure that I catch everything. So thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. If you like what I do, you can become a YouTube member. Click on my TradingView affiliate link. I'm going to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk tomorrow and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine. Finish.